Okay guys, here's part 2 of the 65 Mustang Fastback final assembly. So I got the front and the rear glass in. The rear glass you can see we just put in. It's got all this nice little stuff. I'll show you the stuff that we're actually using. Where the heck is it? Oh, here it is right here. Oh, this is what we're using right here. Now, there's two types I'm using. I'm using this here, and I use that. I put it on the gasket itself, and then I ran it along the body too, and then put this thing in. Now, once I get it all cleaned out, I'll come in with the urethane, and I'll put that up underneath here and go all the way around to kind of seal it up. That's what I watched Mustang DeFear, so I'm kind of following his procedures, putting these in, and it seems to work pretty good. You can see here we got the front one in. It's all nice and cleaned up. Now I got the chrome pieces here I got to put on. He suggested letting it dry for 24 hours before you do that, so that's what I'm doing. But you can see the clips. I got the clips there. I got them all marked off. Forgot to do it on the back, but I can see them, so I'll be able to do that, before I actually go to put the chrome in. Now, I also did get, if you look right there, there's the drain tubes. I got one here and one there. Been blowing it out for 2 days. There's just, from the body work, there's just stuff everywhere. So eventually this will all be cleaned up nice. Kind of had put a little seam sealer here just so the water would channel down, because there was a little gap between the body here, and I didn't want it going down behind the quarter panel. This way it'll go into the tray. What else did I do? I also got the trunk lock on, so that's it. Oh, and I got all the lights on. So there's my backup lights. They're not working. I'll get them working. They were working before I took it to body, so it might just be my connections, or I use the old bulbs, so I'll put the new bulbs that I have in there, and they'll probably work out pretty good. I do got my front headlights in as well here. There they are. And I've also got my parking light and my turn signals in. This one here, I've got it wired wrong. I just got to flip the wires and it'll be fine. So basically been working on it for 3 days, and that's where we're at. I also did get the vent in for the doors. I don't have the glass in yet. I will be putting that in. I don't know if I'm going to do it today or not, but got the vent in, and that's good. So we're making a little progress. I get the glass in. Then it's just a matter of, painting up the dash pad, which I have over here. So I got to clean that up, paint that. I still have to put this in. This is the chrome that goes in the door area, which is right up in here. Goes right up in here and over, and then that's where the gasket goes to for the door. So I want to get the glass in before I put those in. That way I can put them in, get the weather stripping in, and then I can adjust that if I need to, and the door glass. So that's just a little update. 3 days. Doesn't look like I've made much progress, but it is what it is.